Hubstaff is a comprehensive workforce management solution that excels in time tracking, GPS location monitoring, and payroll integration for modern distributed teams. In 2025, Hubstaff has significantly enhanced its platform with AI-powered predictive analytics, mobile-first functionality, and expanded integration ecosystem supporting over 50 business applications. Hubstaff's time tracking capabilities include automatic time capture with minimal user intervention, flexible manual time entry with approval workflows, optional activity monitoring, and configurable screenshot capture with privacy controls. GPS tracking includes geofencing with automatic clock in and clock out, AI-powered route optimization for field teams, and location verification to ensure team members are at designated work locations. Hubstaff automates timesheet generation from tracked time, offers multi-level approval processes with customizable rules, supports project and task-based time allocation, and automatically calculates overtime based on configurable parameters. Payroll integration handles payments in over 100 currencies, automates tax calculations for multiple jurisdictions, offers various payment methods including direct deposit and cryptocurrency, and generates compliance reports for tax and labor law requirements. These comprehensive features make Hubstaff a complete workforce management solution, seamlessly integrating time tracking, location monitoring, and payroll processing for modern, distributed teams. Hubstaff delivers proven results across diverse industries. 3 major case studies demonstrate its real-world impact and effectiveness. A digital marketing agency with over 500 employees achieved remarkable efficiency gains. By implementing GPS tracking for field teams and automated payroll for contractors, they reduced administrative overhead by 35% and improved project delivery times by 28%. A construction company transformed their field operations using geofencing and mobile time tracking with photo verification. This resulted in a 42% reduction in time theft and 25% improvement in project cost accuracy. A software development startup integrated Hubstaff with GitHub and Jira for comprehensive project tracking. This integration accelerated invoice generation by 50% and increased billable hour accuracy by 30%. Looking ahead, Hubstaff is developing cutting-edge features for the future of work. These innovations will transform how teams track time and manage productivity. These practical applications and future developments position Hubstaff as a comprehensive solution for modern workforce management, adapting to the evolving needs of distributed teams across all industries.